Shmai, croeso! Today's lesson is going to be about learning how to pronounce the different colours. Lliwiau, colours. Coch, red. Coch. Gwyrdd, green. Gwyrdd. Melyn, yellow. Melyn. Glass, blue. Glass. Oren, orange. Oren. Porffor, purple. Porffor. Llwyd, grey. Llwyd. Pink, pink. Pink. D, black. D. Gwyn, white. Gwyn. Arian, silver. Arian. Aur, gold. Aur. Those colours again. Coch, gwyrdd. Melyn, glas. Oren, porffor. Llwyd, pink. Du, gwyn. Arian, aur. Now you may see these colours written down with slightly different beginning letters. Coch might be goch, for example. Sometimes you'll even see them spelt differently. Gwyn could be gwen. There are grammatical reasons for this, and we'll cover those in another session. But for now, here are your main colours. Coch, gwyrdd. Melyn, glas. Oren, porffor. Llwyd, pink. Du, gwyn. Arian, aur. I hope you found this session useful. If you'd like to learn more Welsh, please head over to www.tyfu-cymraeg.co.uk, where you'll find more videos and resources to download. Diolch. Hwyl.